Welcome to From Me to English, where English becomes simple, step by step. Hello and welcome to From Me to English. Today, I have a story for you. The story is called A Day at the Zoo. Before we begin, let me ask you a question. Have you ever seen an animal that surprised you more than a person? Maybe you saw a monkey do something funny. Maybe you saw a bird with colors brighter than a rainbow. Or maybe you saw a lion roar so loudly that your heart jumped. Animals can make us laugh. Animals can make us feel scared. Animals can make us feel amazed. And in today's story, animals will do all of these things. The story is about 4 friends, Tom, Anna, David, and Lisa. They went to the zoo on a sunny day. But this trip was not just about seeing animals. It became an adventure. There were surprises, problems, and funny moments. And by the end, the friends discovered something more important than animals. Stay with me until the end, because in the description, you will find a free PDF. The PDF has today's story, useful vocabulary, and exercises to test your listening. So listen carefully, enjoy the story, and later download the PDF to practice more. All right, let's begin. It was Saturday morning. The sun was shining. The sky was blue. The air was fresh. Anna said,
"Let's do something fun today. I don't want to stay at home."
Tom answered.
What about going to the zoo? I heard there's a new lion family.
David smiled.
Yes, and I want to see the monkeys.
Lisa added.
I want to see the colorful birds. They always make me happy.
So, the 4 friends decided to go to the zoo. They walked together, chatting and laughing. When they reached the entrance, they were surprised. The gate was huge and tall. Above the gate, there was a big sign. "Welcome to Green Valley Zoo." Pictures of animals decorated the walls. Lions, elephants, giraffes, pandas, and monkeys. Tom grabbed a map at the entrance. He looked at it carefully. But you will see later, the map did not always help. Part 2. The Lion Area. The first stop was the lions. Tom was excited. He said,
Come on, let's go see the king of the jungle.
They walked along the path until they reached a big enclosure. Inside, there were 2 lions resting in the sun. Nearby, 3 small lion cubs were playing together. Anna whispered.
Wow, they are beautiful.
David said softly.
I didn't expect them to be so big.
Suddenly, one of the lions stood up and roared. The sound was loud, deep, and powerful. David jumped back.
Oh no, that was scary.
Lisa laughed.
Don't worry, they can't come out.
The friends stayed for a while, watching the cubs play and the lions rest. Then, they decided to move on. Part 3. The Monkey Area. Next, they went to see the monkeys. David was very excited.
I love monkeys. They are smart and funny.
When they arrived, the monkeys were already active. One monkey was hanging from a branch. Another monkey was jumping from tree to tree. A third monkey was sitting, eating a banana. Anna laughed loudly when a monkey copied her movements. She waved her hands, and the monkey waved too. She jumped, and the monkey jumped. Everyone laughed. Then, something funny happened. Tom was eating some popcorn. A monkey saw him and stretched out its hand. Tom shook his head.
No, I can't give you this.
But the monkey made a sad face and everyone laughed even more. Part 4. The Bird Area. Lisa's favorite part was the birds. When they entered the bird garden, they were amazed. There were birds of many colors: red, blue, yellow, green, and even purple. Some birds were singing. Some birds were flying. Others were sitting quietly on branches. Lisa said,
Look at those parrots. They are so colorful.
David asked.
Can they talk?
A zookeeper smiled and said,
Yes, some of them can.
Then, to everyone's surprise, one parrot said,
Hello, hello.
The friends laughed loudly. Lisa clapped her hands.
This is amazing.
Part 5. The Lost Map. After visiting the birds, the friends decided to look for the elephants. But when Tom checked his pocket, he looked worried.
Oh no, the map is gone.
Tom said. Anna asked.
Where did you lose it?
Tom answered.
I don't know. Maybe at the monkey area.
They tried to find their way without the map. But the zoo was big. The paths went in many directions. Soon, they were lost. David said,
This is not funny. We will never find the elephants.
Lisa tried to stay positive.
Don't worry. Let's ask someone.
They saw a kind old man sitting on a bench. He smiled at them. He asked,
Are you lost?
They nodded. The man showed them the way to the elephants. Part 6. The Elephant Area. Finally, they reached the elephants. Huge, strong, and calm, the elephants walked slowly in their area. One elephant was eating leaves. Another elephant was drinking water. A baby elephant was playing with its trunk. Anna whispered.
They are so big, but they look gentle.
David said.
Yes, they are amazing.
They stayed there for a while, just watching. It was peaceful. The elephants seemed wise, like they understood something humans did not. Part 7. The Small Surprise. When they were ready to leave, they heard music. Near the exit, a street musician was playing the guitar. He was smiling, singing, and people were listening. The four friends stopped. They listened to the music. They felt happy. It was the perfect way to end their zoo adventure. At the end of the day, they were tired, but happy. Tom said,
Even though we lost the map, we found adventure.
Anna added,
Yes, being lost helped us discover more.
David laughed.
The monkeys were my favorite.
Lisa smiled.
For me, it was the talking parrot.
They all agreed it was not just a trip to the zoo. It was an adventure, a memory they would never forget. And that was today's story, A Day at the Zoo. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, listening to English stories is one of the best ways to improve your skills. The more you listen, the better you understand. The better you understand, the more confident you become. Don't forget to download the free PDF in the description. It has today's story transcript, vocabulary, and exercises. If you like this video, please like, comment your favorite animal from today's story, and subscribe to From Me to English for more English listening practice every day. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.